In this section, I will explain the eligibility criteria and the process for applying for COVID insurance payout as a small business owner. COVID insurance payout is a type of business interruption insurance that covers losses caused by the pandemic and the related lockdowns. However, not all small businesses have this coverage or qualify for it. Here are some important points to consider before applying for COVID insurance payout. First, you need to check your policy terms and conditions carefully. Some policies may explicitly exclude pandemics or contagious illnesses as covered events, while others may include them under certain circumstances. You may also need to prove that your business was directly affected by COVID-19, such as by showing a drop in revenue, a closure order, or a positive test result. Second, you need to contact your insurer as soon as possible and file a claim. You may need to provide documentation and evidence of your losses, such as financial statements, invoices, receipts, contracts, etc. You may also need to show that you have taken reasonable steps to mitigate your losses, such as by applying for government relief programs or adapting your business model. Third, you need to be prepared for possible disputes or delays from your insurer. Some insurers may deny or limit your claim based on the interpretation of your policy wording, the cause of your losses, or the extent of your damages. Some insurers may also face financial difficulties or legal challenges due to the large number of claims they receive. You may need to negotiate with your insurer or seek legal advice if you are not satisfied with their response. Fourth, you need to be aware of the different options and resources available for small businesses affected by COVID-19. Depending on your location and situation, you may be eligible for other forms of assistance, such as loans, grants, tax relief, or subsidies from federal, state, or local governments. You may also find helpful information and guidance from industry associations, trade groups, or professional organizations. To summarize, COVID insurance payout is a potential source of financial relief for small businesses that have suffered losses due to the pandemic. However, it is not guaranteed or easy to obtain. You need to check your policy carefully, file a claim promptly, deal with possible disputes or delays from your insurer, and explore other options and resources available for small businesses. Here are some tips and best practices for preparing and submitting the required documents and evidence for your COVID insurance payout as a small business owner. First, review your insurance policy carefully and understand what is covered and what is not. Some policies may have exclusions or limitations for COVID-related losses or expenses. Second, gather all the relevant documents and evidence that support your claim. This may include invoices, receipts, bank statements, tax returns, payroll records, contracts, business plans, financial projections, etc. Make sure they are clear, accurate, and consistent. Third, organize your documents and evidence in a logical and chronological order. Label them clearly and provide a summary or an index for easy reference. You may also want to create a spreadsheet or a database to track your claim details and status. Fourth, contact your insurance company or agent as soon as possible and notify them of your intention to file a claim. Follow their instructions and guidelines on how to submit your claim. Be prepared to answer any questions they may have and provide additional information if requested. Fifth, keep a copy of everything you send to your insurance company or agent. Also keep a record of all the communication you have with them, such as phone calls, emails, letters, etc. This will help you in case of any disputes or delays in processing your claim. Sixth, be patient and cooperative with your insurance company or agent. They may need some time to review your claim and verify your documents and evidence. They may also need to conduct an investigation or an audit of your business operations and finances. 7th, follow up with your insurance company or agent regularly and monitor the progress of your claim. If you encounter any problems or issues, try to resolve them amicably and professionally. If you are not satisfied with the outcome of your claim, you may have the option to appeal or file a complaint with the relevant authorities. These are some of the tips and best practices for preparing and submitting the required documents and evidence for your COVID insurance payout as a small business owner. I hope this helps you in getting your claim approved and receiving your payout as soon as possible.